So, I learned a cool little trick. So ladies, if you're preserving jars, or you got jars and you want the labels off, quickest way is get your jar, get your husband or yourself, get this, your jar with a label, and watch this. Now, I need to make it possible where I use my hands so I can do a demonstration. And obviously when you decide to do a video, you're never fully ready. So, done. You want a quick way of doing it? There you go. See, then obviously do your soapy clean, and then do your boil to yeah. So there you go. Hope that helped everyone.